Welcome. In this video, we will discuss the average formula. We will also combine the average formula with an if statement. Now we have our sales spreadsheet here. We will take the average of our sales price. Now our average is $377.89. Now we will add our if statement to the formula. So if the average, let's say, is greater than 500, if it is greater than 500, we want to say yes. If it is not, let's say no. So now we know the average is not greater than 500 because we know the average is 377. So if we update our formula, so now it is saying if the average is greater than 300, return a yes. If it is not, return a no. So return a yes because the average is greater than 300. And we know that because the average is 377.89. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.